Hello, this is just an overview of the house that we are going to tour today. So sit back, relax, and this is a 3-bedroom house located at State House, near State House, man, at Dennis Pritt Road. So stay back, sit back, relax, and let us enjoy the video. Yaje? Ninaenda hapa. Yeah, ninaenda hapa. So as you can see, my good people, yeah, we have just begun our video, and as you can see, we are just walking on this path slowly. The guy is gonna be my tour for today, my tour guide, right? Yeah, so he's been touring, he's been showing me around, and we have just entered into the apartment. We have block A, block B, block C, and we are going to block C. And as you can see, this is a place where he says that you can have your good times here, you know, your kids can play here, unaweza choma nyama hapa hivi, you can, you know, relax here and have your good times. So right here, this is a small how can I call it, a field or somewhere you can enjoy. Wale wamepiga kizungu kabisa, they can tell us how we can call that place, but this is just the exterior of the house. We are yet to go to the interior, and going so straight and so pole slowly, being guided by this fellow good guy. By the way, this guy has a good heart, man, no doubt. So this is the house. As you can see, it is just on the ground. This is the parking where I'm probably showing you. This is the parking, and it's a pretty good place for you. When you park your car, you go straight away to the house without doubt. So this is the door. When you enter in, you first see the door on your left, and it's the toilet for your visitors. If you don't want your visitors, you know, coming into your house and, you know, invading your privacy, when they say I want a loo, I want a washroom, it is just at the door, man. Just tell them this is the washroom. Take it in, go in, and have your good times there. And on the right, we have the kitchen. We have the kitchen. As you can see, everything is as clean as snow, as white as snow. Oh man, no doubt. Oh yeah, thank you so much. That is none other than Eli, the tourist, who is probably touring this house. This is the kitchen. Well, my camera was not able to, you know, sustain, or was not able to take up a clear picture of the kitchen because of the lights, man. Because of the lights, man. Hey, I think I need more tools, like no doubt. This is just a storage area for your towels or your groceries, or whatever it is that you can put it there, because it's right at the kitchen. And at the kitchen we have a door. This door probably takes us to there is a small room here where you can put your laundry machine, and this is a SQ. This is a place where your house girl or your house boy or your any person that is living together, and they have their door which goes outside. Yeah, if you don't want them to, you know, use your door, you know, they can use their own. So, and this is their bathroom together with it is big, by the way. Yeah, it is big. It is a pretty good one. Their bathroom for the SQ, and the toilet, and they have the glass there for them to wash their mouth. Oh, no doubt.
Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So as you can see, man, we have just done the kitchen and the SQ. Now this is the living area, my good people. This is no doubt, but the living area, no doubt. Man, I love this. I love this job, man. I love this job. Now this living area, man, you can just set it. You can set it by yourself. You can make it the way you want it to be, but you can combine it together with the dining area, where you can. But it is so big, man. It is so big. Come. Let me take you there. I'm gonna show you what I mean. But this living area or sitting room, it is incredibly big, and we have a balcony outside, man. Oh boy, this is a pretty good one. I don't know. Hey, let's call it a balcony. Ama namna gani wa jameni? Si tuko pamoja wa jameni? Hizi vitu lazima tusaidiane. Ama namna gani wa jameni? Hii mambo mimi nashinda niambia wewe, angalia tu nje. Just take a look. Take a look at the exterior outside of the house, my friend. It is very green. Green. It is very green, my friend. And tumetenga bilioni 200 kwa sababu ya kujenga nyumba kama hizi, sababu ya wananchi. Now take a look at this door as I was being explained. This is the security door, and it's so hard to be broken by anything, and it's also as a one-eye view where you can view anybody outside. And we have another door inside, like no doubt, man, security tight like kifuniko ya soda. And this is the first bedroom. As you can see, it's right on our right side, no doubt. So this is the first bedroom, and it's big and clean like white, like snow. Man, just take a look at this, man. Take a look at the, oh boy, it has its own toilet and bathtub, right? Oh man, this house, you need it. And by the way, for those who always say, man, you know, I always speak with you guys, because as much as I'm showing you this, and we have a glass there, this glass probably, the work of this glass is to wash your mouth if you wish to, or you can drink the water, or you can drink tea while you wash your mouth. The tea, you can put the tea in the glass now. Don't you understand these things now? So, as I always tell you, my good people, man, you know, it's a pretty good idea for us to speak about these things, because we are helping one another. Man. Now, you know, there are a number of you out there, they are wondering, why am I even watching this video? Why? How am I going to manage to you know, pay the house, which is costing 189,000 Kenyan shillings per month? How many dollars are those? I'm gonna calculate and tell you later. Man, I'm telling you, you can do it, man. Now this is the second bedroom. It is on the right as well. It is right on the right as well, and it also has its own toilet and its own bathtub or bathroom. So as I was telling you, you can afford this thing, man. Everything that has ever existed, it started by visualization, or it existed through the mindset of any person. The cars we have, the telephones we have, whatever we have, anything and everything that we have, anybody who created, the person who created the car, the first car on earth, or the aeroplane, or the phone you are using today, they first thought of it, and they began to visualize how, you know, they started thinking about that thing already made, as if it was already made. And by the way, hii ni kichuma ya kuanika ngodha, ndugu yangu, ngodha inaanikwa. You know, nilikuwa nimewaambia ngodha sio vizuri uanike ngodha kwa nyumba wa jameni. Anika ngodha nje, ipigwe na jua. Usianike ngodha kwa nyumba mazee. Hiyo kichuma wewe weka hapo towel ukitaka kuoga. Lakini ngodha anika nje ndugu yangu. Ngodha ipigwe na jua. Ngodha ipigwe na jua wa jameni. Mbona sisi tusaidiane tu cha uzuri. Wacha tusaidiane wa jameni. Wacha tusaidiane wa jameni. Ama namna gani wa jameni? Hebu jaribu kuanika ngodha nje my friend. Unajua hivi vitu naambianga nyinyi kila siku lakini hataki kusikia. Hadi mimi nikiajaribu kuambia hii fambo amutaki kusikia yako. Anika suruali yako nje ndugu yangu, tata yangu, ipigwe na jua. Kuna bakteria siko huko ndani. Inasemekana lazima si wawe na jua tu peke yake. Si tuko pamoja jameni. Now we have entered the master bedroom, man. No doubt. Man, take a look at this master bedroom, man. Oh boy, just take a look at the bathroom. Boy, I tell you, it's big. No doubt. Take a look at this big house, man. You don't need to doubt me when I tell you that it is the master bedroom, boy.
Wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
So this is the only bedroom that has the shower and the bathroom as well. But the other two bedrooms, as you have seen, they only have the bath tub, without doubt, and a small area for the bathroom or bath area. So, as I conclude, man, I'm telling you about visualization. Visualize yourself in this house. Venye mazee hii video inaendelea kumove hivi, wewe jione tu mazee, wewe ndio huyu sasa mazee, unatembea kwa nyumba yako. One day you gonna own it, man. Just start it in the mind. Anza tu mazee kuseme mazee, mimi nyumba sasa ni yangu. Chiki venye natembea ndani, ninaangalia tu venye mambo iko nini, and do it on a daily basis. That is called visualization. And saying affirmations. Saying affirmations related to in abundance and and all that. And by the way, you're gonna make it there, man. You're gonna make it there. So I've been able to tour this house together with you, and I'm sure that you've loved the video, man. And if you've watched this video up to now and you have not subscribed to this video, man, feel free to do so, man. By doing that, boy, we go through a lot to take these videos to fix them, editing, boy, it is a pretty big work. So the only support, and not the only, you can support me via many ways, but the one that I'm requesting from you today, just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go to our website www.ellivujeri.com. Ellie is ELLY and Vujeri is VUJERI. Vujeri.com, and you will be able to explore some other houses that we've been able to take there without doubt. And also tell a friend that this is the place they need to be without doubt. Until we meet again, goodbye. Sawa. Sioni kama kuna kitu kingine, si ndio?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and the moonlight's summer sky. It was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night. stop.